This is assignment number 13, text contrast. Text must have contrast of value if you want viewers to read the text. First, I want you to create a web page mock-up or a concept using Photoshop or Illustrator, whichever program that you're the most comfortable with. I would like your final output to be a PDF format that can be shared with the class via a presentation in front of the room. Please include a header, a subheader, body text, and a series of side links like buttons, locations, and a number of other subtle keys. Place all of this over varying fields of color. Be sure that there is a gradient band located somewhere in the mix, and a logo type, either your own or one that you really like, and it should be spared out of the surface field. You'll get some idea about what I'm talking about as I get started here. Here I'm starting off with a version in a monochromatic black and white value or grayscale. You can see that I can read the text and see the links now as I transition through the various versions. Now I can change things. I can go back and alter values. My goal here is to make sure that it is always readable. Here I have made my main head the highest point of contrast, along with the links so that you know that they are important. Now the header is completely black, and I made my logo practically fade into the background. Here the logo is more visible. I'm going to click through these really quick, and you will notice that just by altering the values you can get different reads. Now I'm going to start playing with color. I'm working in an analogous color, or a very thin slice of a hue, making use of different devices to make things work in different ways. Some of these work better than others and show something of the exploration that is necessary when choosing colors that work well together when coming up with a web page. This is an important part of the design process. Think about what you're doing. Some of these will work, but they won't make you happy. This one works pretty well, a muted green. We did an exploration of this in acrylic, and desaturated colors work really nicely. Again, it doesn't matter to me if my text is light color or black. I just want to make sure that it reads whichever way it goes. So your assignment for this next week is to create at least 6 versions of the same dummy web page graphic layout, just like I've shown you. Create one first that is black and white gray value, and then work through at least 5 additional color versions like the one that I've just showed you. But be sure to maintain your contrast of text to background. It isn't important to do every single version that I just showed you, nor is it important that you use exactly the same colors that I used. I want you to explore a little bit, but the important part is to be sure to maintain your contrast of text to background.